We all want what's best for our family. Clean air and water should be at the top of that list. But if you're not changing your air and water filters regularly, you could be making your loved ones sick. Luckily, Jen's delivery from discountfilters.com arrives just in time, which makes it even easier to keep her family healthy.
So we're at my house today, and my daughter Erin and her two friends wanted to raise money for college, so they decided to set up a lemonade stand, and they had pink and regular lemonade. But after they made the first batch, something just didn't taste right. So they brought it in and they asked me, and I tasted it, and they were right. Yeah, that doesn't taste right.
Yeah.
You know what? Let me try and change the filter, and then I'll bring you guys some more.
Okay. Thanks, Mom.
So yesterday I received my filters from discountfilters.com, and I decided, you know what? Let's go ahead, change the water filter, and see if we can taste a difference.
Filters are the key to clean air and water. We all want clean air and water, but they're typically forgotten about. Most homeowners may not know where they are, or they're just not seen, so we don't change them frequently enough.
So I've never changed the water filter before, but I just watched a quick tutorial online, and I was able to do it in like under 30 seconds. My refrigerator, I just open the top, and then I take out the old one, put in the new one, and voila, it was done.
For her refrigerator filter, taste. She wanted better tasting water. It's called Taste.
Erin, girls, come on, it's ready. Yes. So after I changed the filter, we mixed up a new batch, and what do you know? It did the trick.
That was so good. Here, try. Oh my gosh. Now we can charge you more.
Even if your water still tastes good, and you don't feel like it's time to change that refrigerator filter, the carbon inside that filter might be saturated for other chemicals and might be letting those through in your water. So you want to change that with a fresh, clean filter.
My family's health is very important to me, and my youngest daughter has allergies. So when I was shopping online for the water filters, I noticed that they had air filters too. And they had one that was called Allergies, so it was a no-brainer. I went ahead and got that as well. When I took out the old filter, it was really dirty, definitely gross, and I was very happy that I was able to put in a fresh, clean filter. 6 filters arrived in the box, so now we're covered for about a year and a half.
So as soon as she signed up, we gave her a reminder. Every 3 months, she's in a program that she'll be reminded to change her air filters. Every 6 months, she's going to be reminded to change her refrigerator filters. Not only is she going to have cleaner air and water, but she's also going to have an HVAC system that's not going to have to work as hard because it's going to have a new filter, and her refrigerator's not going to have to work as hard to push clean water through.
For more information, go to designingspaces.tv or discountfilters.com. Order now and use coupon code DESIGN20 and save on your next order. You can go to these websites to learn more about the participants on this edition of Designing Spaces.